Welcome to the channel. Today we're working on a 2003 Dodge Dakota 4WD with the 4.7-liter V8. The customer states that the AC system is not cooling properly and the engine coolant temperature occasionally runs a little higher than normal. I started by scanning all control modules for fault codes. The only code present was P0440 in the PCM, which is an evap system fault and not related to the customer's concern. Next, I checked live data in both the HVAC and PCM modules. While monitoring cooling fan related data, I found a parameter called radiator fan relay. At this time, the status is showing off. Now I'm turning the AC system on with the engine running. After turning on the AC, let's check the live data again. The radiator fan relay status now shows on, which means the PCM is commanding the electric cooling fan to operate. However, the cooling fan is not running. The next step is checking power and ground at the fan connector. With the engine running and the AC turned on, I'm measuring approximately 14 volts at the connector. Voltage readings alone don't always tell the full story, so I'm performing a loaded circuit test using a spare headlight bulb. The bulb lights brightly, confirming the circuit can carry current and that both power and ground are capable of handling a load. Now with the fan disconnected and the engine off, I'm using a power probe to directly apply power and ground to the electric fan motor. The fan should operate immediately if the motor is good. As you can see, the fan does not run. To further verify the failure, I'm checking resistance across the fan motor terminals. The meter displays OL, indicating an open circuit inside the motor. This confirms an internal electric fan motor failure. With the diagnosis complete, it's time to remove the fan shroud, washer reservoir, and coolant overflow tank assembly to gain access to the electric cooling fan. Cooling fan assembly still mounted to the radiator and ready for removal. Here's a comparison between the old failed unit and the replacement Murray electric cooling fan assembly. Part number FA70172. Now I'm installing the new cooling fan assembly. Next, reinstall the washer fluid reservoir, coolant overflow tank, and fan shroud assembly. The replacement fan assembly did not include the retaining clip, so I'm transferring the connector clip from the original fan and reconnecting the electrical connector. With everything reassembled, let's start the engine and verify proper AC system operation. The new electric cooling fan is now operating correctly. The PCM is commanding the fan on, the fan responds as expected, and the AC system performance has been restored. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more diagnostic and repair videos.